Good day, ma'am. At this moment, we are going to present our research titled Exploring Learners' Academic Success with Filipino Overseas Parents. But before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce my group mates. First, we have Ms. Angelica Nulud, followed by Ms. Ayamabel Mariano, followed by Ms. Natalia Nolasco, and yours truly, Ms. Riza Magpantay. To start our research introduction, I would like to briefly discuss to you what is inside of our introduction. Overseas Filipino workers, or OFW, is a term often used to refer to Filipino migrant workers, people with Filipino citizenship who reside in another country for a limited period of employment and a limited period of time. There are over 10 millions of Filipino working abroad, making the Philippines one of the biggest export countries of labor. When economic resources constrain parents' capacity to perform this role, parents may turn to migration to realize their dreams for their children. The aspiration to provide for a better future for their children via education plays a crucial role in the decision of Filipinos to work abroad. However, the general perceptions about the impact of parental migration on children's well-being see migration as a double-edged sword. One hand, remittances are seen as enhancing the children's material well-being, but on the other hand, parental absence is perceived to deprive children of emotional support and care that are detrimental to the children's welfare. According to Schramm of year 2015, knowing and understanding why parents decided to migrate may positively affect the emotions of children feels towards their parents' absence. In the world today, the increasing number of students that are experiencing school life without the presence of their parents is now a global phenomenon. Some parents leave the comforts of their home to find greener pasture. It is always said that migration is the solution for raising financial instability of the families, but the persistent concerns are on the issues on students being left behind by such migration that have attract growing attention and grow into global concern. Despite of the fact that many children have experienced a decline in classroom performance while parents are away, many were also found to perform excellently through various coping mechanisms. Similarly, with Cruz 2012 stated that OFW children are more likely to participate in extracurricular activities. According to Tavares and Diaz of year 2017, the students that have migrant OFW parents learn to adjust to their situation, accepting and learning to live by cope mechanism was helpful. Students that have a situation like this are grateful. The idea of situation and applying all they learn based on their experience. The absence of the parent could be the most disruptive in the life of the children. One of the significant stressors of Filipinos, as expressed by Jucano Jr. of the year 2016, is rejection or fear of abandonment. As indicated by him, an individual feels dismissed when he isn't being ignored and not being esteemed, and when he is unreasonably valued by somebody. Kids who left behind left abandonment, for they believe that parents have picked work instead of them. Emotional maturity, as characterized by Atienza and Katipunan of year 2012, is one's capacity to deal with their feelings. As the children becomes adjusted to the way the parents results of having an overseas worker parent among adolescents. So let's go to our statement of the problem. The descriptive research study will seek to explore the significance of the relationship between OFW parents and learners' academic performance and will expand the body of knowledge for this particular topic. So our grantor question: how does a learner manage to achieve excellent academic performance knowing that their parents aren't around? So we have 3 sub-questions, and the first one is, how does effective learners and OFW parents' relationship impacts the learner's progress on their academic performance. The second one is, how does having OFW parents encourage learners to reach excellence in academic performance? The third one is, how does the learners view and the way of thinking about their academic performance knowing that their parents are an OFW? So at this moment, we're going to go in our framework. So in this section, this will show the conceptual framework to present the figure of the study. So we have independent variables wherein how may the overseas Filipino parents' relationship among learners' academic performance describe in terms of A. Better life, B. Migrants, C. Sacrifice. While the dependent variable is learners' academic performance described in terms of A. Achievements, B. Participation skill, and C. Study hard. The conceptual framework for exploring academic success with overseas Filipino workers' parents among grade 12 learners. The figure shows the concept of this research entitled Exploring Learners' Academic Success with Overseas Filipino Workers' Parents. The independent variable is the overseas Filipino workers on learners' academic performance. It is where overseas Filipino worker migrants sacrifice the distance in order to provide a good life for their children. On the other hand, the dependent variable of this research is the learner's academic performance. It is where the learners achieve an academic excellence despite of the distance and despite of not having their parents beside them. To continue our presentation, I would like to call Ms. Ayamabel Mariano.
Thank you, Ms. Magpantay. So now we're going to discuss significance of the study. Since there is no related study conducted within the Angeles City area, this will be the first one to explore the body of knowledge between OFW parent relationship with the learners who reach excellent academic performance. The study is conducted for the benefits of the following: parents, teachers, learners, and future researchers. Parents, they will have more truth and clear understanding on how their children's view about the essence of the education. Students, their moral needs will be heard through paper communication with their parents and will allow them to perform better academically. Teachers, they will be able to bridge the gap on how they can provide and create a way to be more considerate to boost the learner's morale. School administrators, in line with the teachers, they may revise annual school activities to empower and give the learners various opportunities to participate on. Learners, with it will allow them to be informed and aware about their emotions. Future researchers. This descriptive research study will permit them to have more in-depth knowledge about this particular topic. Next, we are going to discuss scope and delimitation. The scope of the study explored the OFW parent relationship that affect their academic performance on senior high school learners of Francisco G. Nepomuceno Memorial High School. The study will also deal with how the learners cope up knowing that they have parent is not around. Additionally, exploring parental involvement will definitely affect the different aspects of the student. Academic, emotion, moral, are also covered in the study. Next, method. This part presents the research design of the study, the sample, the sampling technique, the instrument of data gathering procedure, the data analysis, and the ethical considerations. May I call Ms. Nolasco to discuss research design.
Research design. So in our research design, that we choose is descriptive because we know that it is the best way to answer the question in our research. According to Creswell, the study of an issue explored through one or more cases within the bounded system. It means our topic will understand with this design. 2.2 in our participants in this research will be 2 persons of grade 12. in FG and MHS. We know that it will help us to conduct the result of our research, and also we use a purposive sampling technique to identify the respondent that we need. Research participants. In our research participants, there are two selected students of FG and MHS. They are selected due to academic performance. The questions allow the researchers to know more of the topic, which is to understand the relationship between an OFW parent and the participants were chosen to take part in this study because they were qualified. According to Arikunto, purposive sampling is the obtaining subject that is not based on the area. Research instrument. Our research instrument that we use is open-ended questionnaire to know what the respondent answer in our particular questions and to understand their thoughts because our topic is need to know what is the effect of the student having an OFW parent. To continue the presentation, I would like to call Angelica Nulud.
I am Angelica Lulid. I will discuss the 254 data gathering. The researcher survey questionnaire with open-ended questions wherein the data of this case study will mainly be manifested through answered survey questionnaire of the two key informants who are the learners who have OFW parents and achieve outstanding grades from their first semester. Before all, the researcher she validated first with one of the master teachers at Francisco G. Nepomuceno Memorial High School to ensure the appropriateness of the questions. For the 2.5 data analysis is the process of systematically applying statistical and or logical techniques to describe and illustrate, condense and recap, and evaluate data. An essential component of ensuring data integrity is the accurate and appropriate analysis of research findings. In, a, in our data analysis, content data analysis was used in this research study as it was defined by Lee and Cruz. 2014 was become easier to perform content analysis due to the easy availability of interpretation of messages, thereby making it easier to analyze with precision and perception. This type of data analysis method is justified to be used in our research study. This study examined the relationship between academic performances of learners without the presence of their overseas Filipino workers' parents. Two main participants have different profiles, achieved a certain excellence in their academic performances. The first participant is male, while the second participant is female. For the 2.6 ethical consideration, the research questions was given to the participants with proper manner, asked them if they wanted to be part of the research paper, with particular study and about learners whose academic achievers despite of having OFW parents. In addition, the researchers asked approval of validation to the one of the master teacher of Francisco G. Nepomuceno Memorial High School, which is Mr. Marvin Katakutan. But before that, the researchers put an effort, message him, full of respect for the questionnaires to become validated to prevent biases and confusions. To continue our presentation, let's now proceed to results. The researcher used data collection from the respondents to know the effect of having of double parents in their academic performance of the grade 12 students of Francisco G. Nepomuceno Memorial High School. In this research study, content analysis will use to further identify the results from the questionnaire. So content analysis is a research tool used to determine the presence of certain words, themes, or concepts within some given qualitative data. Using content analysis, researchers can quantify and analyze the presence, meanings, and relationships of such certain words, themes, or concepts. The questionnaire leading theme. How does the learners manage to achieve excellent academic performance knowing that their parents aren't around. When the grade 12 students of Francisco G. Nepomuceno Memorial High School ask about their thoughts, their response is number one, it helps them to motivated to their study because of the hardships of their parents. Number two, it serves them inspiration to perform well. Number three, that they want to do their best even their parents is far away from them. It serves as an inspiration, as a reason to distract in their study. So the most of the respondents motivated because they want to help and they want to prove to their parents to success in their study. They claim that they motivated and encouraged to study hard. Data to answer research question number one. How does a learner manage to achieve excellent academic performance knowing that their parents aren't around? According to according to participant 1, well, most definitely when my mother went abroad, I was sort of disregarding my school tasks back when I was 7th grade. However, as time passed, I realized that she's making such a huge sacrifice for our future and should neglect that is I mean it struck to me a privilege I am as an individual to have my parents support me in everything I do, with an exception to forbidden acts. According to participant 2, I'll take this as an inspiration. They inspired me all the time. According to given responses, both of them basically stated that their parents abroad serves as inspiration to them to perform well and to put excellence on their studies. In the discussion, the responses of the participants fully answered every question listed from the grantor questions to sub-questions. The findings in the descriptive research study conducted by the researchers with the specific topic which learners with OFW parents entitled Exploring Learners' Academic Success with OFW Parents among grade 12 showed that the 2 out of 2 participants shared having an OFW parents is not a distraction for them not to achieve success in their academic performance. It's true that maybe that not no reason for you not to get kind of award for yourself. To continue our presentation, charot.
4.1 Conclusion. The overall results show a dismissal picture of a student's description of the effect of having an OFW parents in academic performance of the students. The result shows that there's a big impact to their performance that affect how they cooperate to the activity in school because of their absence, but they also give them amazing inspiration to study and to be motivated in order for them to perform well. 4.2 Recommendation. In this part, the following are recommendations and suggestions given by the researchers to help and support the guardians of the students, even the readers and the future researchers, to get adapt, change, and also understand the individual countering of the sort circumstances. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you enjoy our little presentation.